We have a question here from Michelle Barcelona Manuel. Did you guys experience what they call smoker's cough after
That,
quitting?
yeah, that's chronic bronchitis. That's an early morning cough. It's usually due to accumulation of secretions and of course the tar that's not eliminated by the cilia, and in the morning because it accumulates in your throat, you are irritated by it and you try to expel it through coughing. And
Pero
that
after quitting, yun ang tanong ni Michelle.
there is also such a thing as your lungs tries to expel the remaining impurities caused by smoking. So it takes some time before you will experience no more cough or
Yeah.
wheezes.
Yeah, I had it for a couple of months after
Okay.
quitting.
Yeah.
You
It
still had that cough.
Yeah. It was there. I don't know exactly the time, but it was there for a while. Sometimes it was worse. Sometimes it was worse than others. And then eventually, basically, nawala na talaga. So it was there for a bit.
clean na. It's already the cleansing process has completed.
But Doc, do you get that even if it's just a vape? Because I don't feel that anymore, even though I still do vape.
Yeah, that's why we're advocating this.
Yeah.
Advocating this as an alternative to smoking, because it improves a lot in the respiratory function of a person who is smoking.
So wala nang smoker's cough.
This is evidence based. Yeah, we have studies to support this.
Yeah. Well, I'm a clear case study because I still vape and I don't get the. I don't get that.
Yeah, you are a study in progress. Actually, you are.
So Michelle says thank you, and Michelle, you have a gift from us. We're very lucky because we've gotten support from Under Armour, and you are the first great question. So we will be sending you an Under Armour cap for asking and helping smokers quit.
I'll
send that. Please message us directly. Congratulations, Michelle.
Congratulations.
Please message us directly with your details, and we'll send it over.